Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You'll start immediately by confirming essentials. Your A15 is charged, unlocked, and you know the device PIN. Open Settings, go to About Phone, then Software Information. This is where Android records the build number. Tap build number 7 times quickly. You'll see a small toast or prompt counting down. Once done, enter your PIN if requested. You do this because Android hides developer features by default. Tapping the build number flips a hidden switch to reveal them. Once the hidden switch is flipped, go back to Settings and locate Developer Options under System or Advanced. It appears only after activation. Toggle Developer Options on at the top and accept any security confirmation. This unlocks experimental controls. Now scan the list. Enable USB debugging for PC connections. Consider OEM unlock only if you plan to modify firmware, and adjust Window/transition/animator scales to speed animations. You enable these because they grant deeper control for testing and debugging, so proceed intentionally. To finish, review changes. Turn off any risky toggles like OEM unlock if you don't need them, then restart the phone so settings take effect. If Developer Options doesn't appear, repeat the build number taps and reboot. Sometimes the menu needs a restart to surface. If USB debugging misbehaves, revoke authorizations in Developer Options and reconnect to trust the PC again. This troubleshooting tip fixes most connection and visibility issues without factory resets.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.